विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, डेली जी के डोज या आपल्या यूट्यूब चॅनलमध्ये मी अनिल फुले तुमचं स्वागत करतो. तर आपण वनरक्षक स्पेशल जे इंग्लिशमध्ये आलेले PYQ आहे ते बघू. फाइंड द मिनिंग ऑफ द हायलाइटेड वर्ड इन द सेंटेन्स. जॉन हॅड टू बी बॅनिशेड फ्रॉम द कंट्री ड्यू टू करप्शन चेंजेस अगेन्स्ट हिम. काइन ड्राइव्ह अवे. पिक द सिनोनिम फॉर द वर्ड. Rancid, foul. Pick the right antonym of the word discordant, harmonious. Pick the right meaning of the highlighted word in the sentence. Because I despise the taste of white milk, I never drink it. To hate or detest something. Pick the correct meaning of the highlighted item or phrase from the following. The match had to be put off due to the rains. To postpone. Find the meaning of the highlighted word in the sentence. There was an ominous silence at the other end of the phone. म्हणजे sinister. Identified the word that opposite in meaning to word lavish. Lavish or the stingy. Find the word closest in the meaning to word profound. Profound closest meaning intense. Identify the speaker of speech in the following sentence. Oh, bed at last can be with you. Apostrophe. Find the meaning of the highlighted word in the sentence. My father was ecstatic at my exam result. Joy. Pick the right item which fits into the sentence. His friend told Amit not to and to attend the party. Be a wet blanket. Amit blank Tamil from his friend who lives in Chennai, but Amit haven't blanked the language much. पहिल्याचे learn, दुसऱ्याच्या spoken. Find the meaning of the word medal. Interface. Pick the correct meaning of the highlighted item or phrase from the following. To add insult to injure, the car had that knocked Ganesh drove off without stopping after knocking him off his bike. Kind to make a bad situation worse. Pick the right item which fits into the sentence. He had to become the guy because he was corrupt. Kind send him about his business. याप्रमाणे आपण